Hello students, hope you would have understood the lesson number 1 kinds of sentences and also would have completed the homework. Now let's begin with the exercise of the lesson kinds of sentences in your grammar book. Students, let's begin with the exercise. Question number 1. Write what kind of sentence each of the following is. Also write if it is affirmative A or negative N. So students, the first one has been done as an example. Number 1. Ravi was a very strong player. So students, can you see here? As it was being told by them, the sentence is beginning with a capital letter and it is ending with a full stop. And the most important thing is that, can you see here, Ravi is the subject and this sentence is beginning with a subject. And can you see here, it has been declared in this sentence that Ravi was a very strong player. That Ravi is a strong player. It has been or was a strong player. So it has been declared here. So which type of sentence it will be, students? Yes, it is an assertive affirmative sentence. So can you see here, they have written A in bracket, means affirmative. So the same way you also have to write it in the bracket. Now number 2. Who would be so bold as to pull the emperor's mustache? Now can you see here, the second sentence is beginning with WH, means who, and it is ending with a question mark. So what do you think, students? Which kind of sentence it is? Yes, it is an interrogative sentence. And can you see here, not, never, none, anywhere? No. So this is also affirmative. Can you see here, A is written in brackets. So the same way you will also write A in the bracket. Next, he could not take it off immediately. Now can you see here, students, it is again a declarative sentence that they are declaring that he could not take it off immediately. And can you notice one more thing? Here not is used. What is used? Not. So this sentence is a negative sentence. Which kind of sentence? Assertive negative. Assertive N. Students, the fourth one is don't forget that I threw you down. So students, can you tell me which kind of sentence it is? Yes, it is a command. So it is an imperative negative sentence, because here can you see don't is used, and we have read that most of the imperative sentences begin with don't or do not. Next, such delicious soup made with a stone. So students, can you tell me which kind of sentence? Yes, it is ending with an exclamation mark. So this will be an exclamatory sentence, and as it is not containing any not, none, so it will be a affirmative sentence, exclamatory A. Okay, and can you see here, a sudden feeling is expressed over here that the soup was delicious. Next, why doesn't the man get angry? So students, can you see what it is beginning with? It is beginning with why and it is ending with a question mark. So this is also a question. So which sentence it is? It is an interrogative sentence. Now can you tell me, is it negative or affirmative? Yes, it is negative because doesn't is used here. So interrogative N. Next, number 7. Make a rough mini copy before you begin work. Now can you see here? What does it what does it means? Yes, it is an instruction given to someone that he should make a rough mini copy before he begins his work. So it is an imperative sentence. And what kind of sentence it is? Affirmative or negative? Yes, it is affirmative sentence because not is not used here. Next, do come to this pine fresh mountain state. Now can you see, tell me what it is? Do come to this pine fresh mountain state. Yes, this is a request. Someone is calling us or someone is calling the person to visit the pine fresh mountain state. So this is a request. In which sentences are used to make request? Yes, they are imperative sentence. And can you see here, not anywhere? No. So this is imperative affirmative. Next, can I have some food? Now see this, it is a question mark. question, as someone is asking that can I have some food, and it is ending with a question mark. So this one will be a interrogative sentence, and it is also affirmative. I will give you a week to find them. So can you see here? It is also what it is. I will give you a week to find them. So can you tell me, students, what kind of sentence is this? Yes, it is an assertive sentence because it is declared that the person is giving a week to find someone. Okay. So this is an assertive sentence. Which one? Negative or affirmative? Yes, it is an affirmative sentence as not is not used here. Next. What divine willpower in these words? Now can you see here? A strong feeling is expressed over here, and the sentence is ending with an exclamation mark. So this one is a exclamatory sentence, and also it is affirmative. Next, what is the cause of sorrow? So students, can you see here? It is beginning with WH and it is ending with a question mark. So this one is an interrogative sentence, and also it is an affirmative sentence. What happened next is the story of the novel. So can you see here? It is declared that what happened next, or it states that what happened next is the story of the novel. What happened is the written in the novel. Okay, so this is an assertive affirmative sentence. How do you come by the sword, son? Now see here again, how is written and it is ending with a question mark. So this is an interrogative assertive sentence. Number 15, that was very clever, Birbal. So can you see here, a strong feeling is expressed and the sentence is ending with an exclamation mark. So which kind of sentence it is? Yes, it is an exclamatory sentence, and as not, none is not used here. So this is also an affirmative sentence. Now let's go to question number 2, do as directed. Now note, the meaning of the sentences should not change when rewriting. The first one has been done as an example. So can you see, they have told you to do as directed. Whatever they are telling you, you have to do like the same way. Rewrite the following assertive sentences as exclamatory sentences. So students, can you see, they have given you few sentences and they are assertive sentences, and you have to change them into exclamatory sentences. And students, I know you know it very well how to change them. So let's see number 1. A. Rewrite the following assertive sentences as exclamatory sentences. So students, the first one is Sage Dadichi was a noble person. Now this is an assertive sentence. We have to change it to an exclamatory sentence. So what we'll do, we will add some sudden strong feeling or expression to it. For that, we'll make it what a noble person Sage Dadichi was, and we'll put an exclamation mark in the end. Now it will become an exclamatory sentence. Now next, Yonamain was intelligent and beautiful. How intelligent and beautiful Yonamain was. Okay, now again we will put an exclamation mark over here and we'll make it an exclamatory sentence. You have done a splendid job. So you can see, students, these all are assertive sentences. So everything is declared in this. Okay, it is, these sentences state something, and what you have to do, you have to make it something, you have to make it as if it is, you are expressing some sudden feeling. Now see here, you have done a splendid job. What a splendid job you have done. So can you see this way, students, how we are changing an assertive sentence into an exclamatory sentence, and it will end with an exclamation mark. Understood, students? So students, always keep in mind, to change assertive sentence to exclamatory sentence, your sentence should begin with what, or it should begin with how. Okay, students? And sometimes it can be accompanied, or it can be with next to it verb can come. And always keep in mind that subject or verb in an exclamatory sentence either occurs at the end of the sentence, or sometimes it is completely left out. Can you see here? For example, here we used what first, and Sage Dadachi came last. Okay, so Sage Dadachi is a what? It is a subject. It is the subject. Okay, so it is left out. It is put in the last, or it can sometimes it is also left out. Same way we have used here how. We have started the sentence with how, and Yomini is being taken at the last. The subject, the sentence is ending with the subject. Understood, students? The same way here, what splendid job. So can you see here, it is beginning with what, accompanied by a verb, and it is ending with an exclamation mark. So this is the way of changing assertive sentence into exclamatory sentences. So students, this much is enough for today, and the remaining questions will solve tomorrow or in the next video.